So, so if you do not know, this is going to be this asteroid that is likely going to strike Earth in 2068. So there was this Earth that was first spotted in 2004. Shortly afterward, is going to pass near Earth in 2029, 2046, again 2068. And this is actually pretty scary if this asteroid hits Earth because it's a pretty big one. It's basically one of the bigger ones that we found as well. He outlined research that his team regarding the likelihood it's going to hit the Earth. It's and not enough to drift. It should be, there was no indication that the asteroid would strike Earth in those years, 2029 and 2046. But 2068 might be a different matter. It's just that astronomers will have to keep an eye on this asteroid as the winds over state approaches. In the news of possible threat from this asteroid arrives, others have pointed out the human race has made strive of protecting the planet from asteroid strikes. NASA's DOT mission, for example, scheduled for 2022, send it to another asteroid called Dynamos, another path to one of its moons. Know that basically they're gonna go to the asteroid in 2029, so it gives scientists a better threat of what was the actual threat in 2068. So this asteroid is very, very big. We all know it is, and they said it's like a 1 in 100,000 chance for it to hit the planet in 2068. Of course, I think we're all worried about and what if it did hit the Earth? So that's the big question. So Sci-Fi Wire, what if this asteroid did hit the Earth? What would happen? So it's a 340 meter asteroid. It's very big, and yet will bring it close 20,000 miles of Earth surface. It's enough to watch it from the naked eye, as long as you live in the southern hemisphere, which most people live in the northern hemisphere. So most of us won't be able to see it. And it will fly by a calculator it's 150,000. 150,000. But based on recent observations, the true models they'd be touring. Do that informs us that phosphorus is drifting outside of our previous projections. It's not like a convict, uneven, so it can cause an object to radiate heat as it. So what happens if it does hit a planet? So we do have defense against it, and again, it is 2050. We'll be much smarter. We'll have much better technology then. But and the impact of Earth, it depends on only two orbits. Interesting, And yeah, we can defend against it, but it's basically a very, very, very big bomb. And yep, the sort of impact is inspired by movies like Armageddon and Deep Impact. We need science to alter asteroids after to avoid Earth entirely, because we don't want another dinosaur extinction again. Basically, it's very, very unlikely chance it did hit Earth. What could we do about it? Again, only like one massive asteroid ever hit Earth's history, and that was 65 million years ago. So I think it's pretty unlikely. They're saying it's like a 1 out of 100,000 chance. So don't be super scared of this asteroid hitting Earth. And nope, there's no neutron star going to hit Earth in 2039. Goodbye.